CoinMarketCap is one of the tools that you need if you are into crypto trading. So you can use CoinMarketCap to get the latest news. You can use CoinMarketCap to track the performance of coins, and also to see whether the coins listed on other platforms are legible or illegible. And also you can use to see their market cap. So if you are here, embrace this. Let's go through some of the things that you need to do to ease your crypto trading and to make sure that you know what you are doing. So first of all, CoinMarketCap, when you get into it, it's like this. This is the interface, and you can track cryptocurrencies based on number one, their ranking, categories. You can also see market overview, historical snapshots, crypto ETFs, token unlocks, trending ones. That's the leaderboard. You can get upcoming crypto coins that are supposed to be listed, recently added, gainers, losers, most visited, and so let's, maybe we want to see which ones are trending or which ones are recently added. So you can just go on to that, click on that, and you get to see that this one, smart language model, has been added. It's been added, and you can see some of them. Number 1, 2, 3. These are all recently added. So let's go back, let's explore more. And you can see we have, that's the cryptocurrencies. We have DEX scan, new pairs, trending pairs. We also have exchanges. So this platform can give you the opportunity to know the reliable exchanges, top exchanges. So you just click on the exchanges and it gives you an overview of the exchanges that we have. We have Binance, Bybit, Coinbase exchange, and that is based on their performance in the spot market and also derivatives. So let's go to derivatives to Binance, Bybit. So you see these are two exchanges that if you want to do real crypto, you cannot avoid, especially if you are trading. So there's a link on my bio which has Binance and Bybit and OKX, because I use that sometimes too. You can just get that and you explore that. But then let's go deeper into the cryptocurrencies. And how do you check cryptocurrencies? So when you come, you see trending coins. You see that the cryptocurrencies, all cryptocurrencies are numbered from 1 to the last number. So you need to search. There's a search option. If you see a coin that you like, you can just click on it. I like Dogecoin. And once you click on it, it tells you market cap, the volume, 24 hours volume. You see FDV, and it tells you this. So the market cap, if the market supply was in circulation, that's the fully diluted value. Total supply, that's the total supply. So just hover your mouse on them and you get to know more. So total supply equals total coins created minus coins that have been banned. I get it. So you have circulating supply. This is all what is currently in circulation. Simply means that all the coins are in circulation. You get to see the important aspect of this. So if I want to research this coin, I need to go to their website. I need to go to their social media. You can get all their socials on CoinMarketCap, and also their website and the ratings and the blockchain. You see Doge, USD, the exchange, all-time high, all-time low. You see all. You can check historical data of the performance of the coin. This is very important and you need this. So you can do pretty much for this in all the coins. UCID, the Unified Crypto Asset. You can check on all this. And also when you go down, you get to see the tags and all the things that are needed. Tags, mineable, POV scripts. You can see all the tags. Dogecoin, the Dograil, POV, the algorithm, the industry is under the memes, use for payments, others, mintable. Platform is on the BNB chain ecosystem. So you see, it's much more easier for you to see and to explore all these coins. But the important part is, let's pick another coin for me to show you how you can take advantage, like create opportunities of those coins. Let's pick Shiba. Shiba, when you pick Shiba, you see, it tells you that one day, that's the performance. You can see 7 days performance is under 6.90% negative. 1 month performance 22.4. 1 year has been 124%. So it has increased over 123% in a year. And let's see all time. All time, this coin has 50,841,087%. So it has increased like 15 million percent. And that's the all-time high. So you can see this can give me the decision to buy, to hold the coin, or to trade the coin because it has potentials. Then the important part also is that once you get to the coin, you go to markets. On the CoinMarketCap, you see the markets that is this coin is operating on. You can see Binance, Shiba USD, Binance also Shiba USDC, Bybit is on Bybit. You can see Coinbase Exchange, OKX, Ubit, and all this. So you can explore all the markets that you can trade this coin. This is important because it gives you the leverage to know that this coin is popular among some exchanges. Then you get to know which exchange is it performing well. The volume there, you can see 24 hours volume, the price, the plus 2% depth, minus 2% depth. You can see all about this coin and the exchanges. Very important for you to be able to do. So let's go back to the coins and you get to see. Let's check the exchanges too. You see spot and derivative. We have both the decentralized and centralized. You see all of them. It also has communities. Feeds, you go to the feeds. You see what people are talking about in terms of posting about this. Right, maybe related to the Shiba and stuff. So it's also another topics, lives, articles. You have products. So if you want to maybe get airdrops, you can get this. Go to converter to convert the coin to check and see if you are converting the coin. CMC Labs. So you can also check and see whatever is happening here. And that gives you the chance, right, to be able to explore. So, and you get to see different coins. You get to do airdrops. If you want diamond rewards, learn and earn. If you want academy, research, videos, glossary, like all this, you can find that on CoinMarketCap. So this is a great opportunity for you to, if you are looking to research more about new coins, to know the date they will launch, the fear, the greed in the market, this platform is the best for you. So you can see, just explore this and let me know how you think. But you can also join my Telegram group for more. Thank you very much. I believe in you. See you in the next video.